I'll be showing a quick video of how to remove the side bumper on a 2015 Volvo VNL. This is the second generation. This is a 19 millimeter Allen. What I need to start here. I turn it until it gets loose, and I just pull it out. Leave it like that, because when I go back together, I don't have to look for it. I just push it in, turn it in, and it's connected. Second part is there's a connector that looks like this. Disconnect the fog light. You pull this up, pull it out. Pretty easy. You know, sometimes you do forget about reconnecting them and going back together. And then once this is out, it's disconnected, you just kind of pull it back, wobble it back and forth, and it comes right out. And then going back together, these have to go inside the center bump. It's really simple. The newer ones are harder, but this one's easier. Again, you align it with this bracket, and then you try to align into the bottom, this side. Set them all inside, and then you just move it up and down and give pressure with the knee from the outside. It goes in, push this in, turn it, tighten it down until it stops. Reconnect the fog light, and you're done. One last quick view on the bumper. So this is the side bumper, this is the center. So you want to make sure you get into these. There's one here and here. That's it. Thanks for watching.